Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone Mobile on Bluestacks. First, download and install the Bluestacks emulator on your PC or Mac. Once installed, sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Then, search for Call of Duty, Warzone Mobile and click to install it. If you encounter a device not compatible message, simply go back to the main Play Store page and search for the game again. This often resolves the issue. To ensure the best performance, enable virtualization in your computer's BIOS settings. This is crucial for stability. Within Bluestacks, navigate to the settings and allocate at least 6 CPU cores and 6 GB of RAM. For optimal fluidity, set the performance mode to high and enable high frame rates, aiming for 60 frames per second or more, depending on your system's capabilities. Warzone Mobile on Bluestacks requires precise controls. Open the Bluestacks control editor to customize your key mappings. Assign your primary fire to the left mouse click and aiming to the right click. Map movement to the W, A, S, D keys and other actions like jumping, crouching, and grenades to easily accessible keyboard buttons. Fine-tune in-game sensitivity for accurate aiming and movement. For optimal compatibility, ensure your Bluestacks version supports Android 13 or higher. If you experience persistent crashes or errors, a clean reinstall of both the game and Bluestacks can often resolve these issues. Be aware that some users report graphics stuck at lower quality. Also, consider using a guest account to play, as there can be risks associated with using emulators for online games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.